Let's do these 3 examples to learn how to add mixed numbers with unlike denominators, beginning with 4.5 plus 3 3/4. A mixed number is made up of 2 parts, a whole part, in this case 4, and a fractional part, in this case 1/2. The other number here has a whole part of 3 and a fractional part of 3/4. To add these together, all we have to do is add the whole parts together, so 4 plus 3, which gives us 7, and then add the fractional parts together. The fractional parts, of course, are where the challenge really comes in. We need to add 1/2 to 3/4. To do that, we need common denominators. One method that always works to get common denominators is to multiply each fraction by the denominator of the other fraction. What I mean is that, for example, on the right, the denominator is 4, so the fraction on the left will multiply by 4 over 4. That's just multiplying by 1, so it doesn't actually change the fraction, it just changes how it looks. Now for the fraction on the right, the one on the left has a denominator of 2, so we multiply 3/4 by 2 over 2. This way, their denominators will match now. The denominator on the left will be 4 times 2, which is 8, and the denominator on the right will be 4 times 2, which is 8. This would end up giving us 4/8 plus 6/8, which of course equals 10/8, which we can reduce to 5/4. So this method always works, however it's not always the best method. The better method would be to notice that if we multiply 1/2 by 2 over 2, just doing this will make the denominators match. The fraction on the left will become 2 over 4, and the fraction on the right is 3 over 4. This, of course, adds to 5 over 4, which is 1 whole with 1/4 left over. So, for our answer, we just need to add 1 1/4 to 7, which gives us our final answer of 8 1/4. Let's try the next example, 2 2/5 plus 8 2/3. First, we'll just add the whole parts together. 2 plus 8 is 10. Then we just have to worry about adding the fractions together. 2/5 plus 2/3. In order to add them, we need common denominators. So we can multiply the fraction on the left by 3 over 3. That's the denominator from the right. For the fraction on the right, we'll multiply it by 5 over 5, since that's the denominator on the left. Now both of their denominators will be 15. This gives us 6 over 15, because 3 times 2 over 3 times 5, plus 10 over 15, because of 2 times 5 over 3 times 5. This adds to 16 over 15, and you may notice that's 1 whole, with 1/15 left over. So all we need to do is add 1 1/15 to 10. We can even write that out, 10 plus 1 1/15. This, of course, is 11 1/15, and that's our answer. All right, one more problem, then I'll give you a few to practice on your own. 7 4/9 plus 1 5/6. Again, let's add the wholes together. 7 plus 1 gives us 8. Then we need to worry about the fractions. 4/9 plus 5/6. Again, we could multiply the fraction on the left by 6 over 6 and multiply the fraction on the right by 9 over 9, but there is a better option. In this case, the least common multiple of the denominators is actually 18. 9 goes into 18 twice, and 6 goes into 18 3 times. So we should multiply the fraction on the left by 2 over 2 to turn its denominator to 18, and multiply the fraction on the right by 3 over 3 to turn its denominator to 18. Again, the other method always works, but it's nice to get a smaller number when you can. Once we do this, we have 8 over 18 plus 15 over 18. 8 plus 15 is 23, so this is 23 over 18, and that's 1 whole with 5/18 left over. So we need to add 1 5/18 to 8, which of course is 9 and 5/18. Alright, here are 3 more problems for you to try on your own. I'll put the solutions on screen now. And there you have the answers. I also wrote out the work I did with the fractions on the right. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and check out my pre-algebra course and pre-algebra exercises playlists in the description for more. Thanks for watching. Persistence, couldn't even open myself up for an instant. What's the law? It's regular. I regulate my integrity. I'm a secular anesthetic for my own effigy. I didn't try just to be regular.